Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below, and I regularly check them and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called Cosmo Personalized Astrology, and in explanation part you can see the artificial intelligence powered daily horoscope. As you can understand that, like, if you are interested in horoscope, I think this app is just for you. And let's look at the layout of this one. At first the icon is really good, like visually appealing, and it has 4.8 stars out of 5, and that's really good actually. And if you're above 4 years old, you can use this app, and it's a hyper personalized social experience bringing astrology into 21st century, and featured in New York Times, Cosmo, Buzzfeed, Vanity Fair, Vogue, Refiner 29, The Guardian. So it's very popular right now. This app is very popular if you're interested in horoscopes. And when you just look at the developer here, developer is the CoStar Astrology Society. And let's look at the preview here. So you can just see the design of the app from there, like you can just see each day, and most horoscopes ask what month you were born. CoStar asks what minute, so it gives you a detailed explanation according to just birthplace, birth time, and it just gives you a new way to understand your relationships also, and powered by artificial intelligence that merges NASA data. So as you can understand, also you can just get daily reminders. So it has so many features there. And we can just go to the app right now. At first you need to download this app called CoStar, and then tap get if you didn't download it before. But if you download it before, you can just see the screen and tap open, and you'll just go directly to your own place. At first you need to just write your birthplace and also birth time. So you need to just give detailed information for that. And there is a free version available, and right now I'm using the free version. But also there are in-app purchases. As a premium user, you can see compatibility with someone who isn't on the app, and you can take a deep dive into your relationship style, behaviors and patterns with an advanced reading focused on your romantic strengths, challenges and needs. So with a premium user, you can just get more information, especially about your relationship. So I'll just show you the design of it. At first, let's look at first, this is the home screen, we can say, and you can see the updates from there. Today's updates here, and it gives you a detailed information about power, pressure and trouble also. This is today's updates, and you can just see the other day's updates as well, the day before and the other day's updates as well. And you can just also see your chart, and according to your chart, your characteristics, you can see your characteristics from here as well. Also, if you saved anything here, you can just see your saved ones there. Also on the settings part, you can just see your birthplace and birth time, and you can just change them as well. So that has a very simple design, and I think that's a good one. That's a good app. And what are the key features of this app? At first, it has a planet by planet compatibility, and you can add your friends to keep track of their zodiac signs. So you can just add your friends, for example, from contacts or from Facebook, or you can just search by username. Also, you can add manually. So you have different options here, and you can add your friends. Also, it gives you, not now, it gives you personality analysis customized to your entire astrological chart, and it gives you real-time updates as the planets move. And typical horoscopes are written only to a person's sun sign, and probably you've seen a lot, but that's only one part of your astrological chart, and it doesn't take into account the moon, other planets in the solar system, or 12 houses of the zodiac, each of which represents a different part of your life, like relationships, work, and home. Even if you're Aries Sun, a Libra moon, or a Virgo rising, change everything. So all these things are important in your astrological chart. So co-stars predictions are based on a map of the sky at your exact time and place of birth, coupled with NASA data to track the planets as they move. Then artificial intelligence creates hyper-personalized horoscopes on a scale previously unimaginable. By positioning human experience against a backdrop of a vast universe, CoStar creates a shortcut to real talk in a sea of small talk, a way to talk about who we are and how we relate to each other. So I think that's the best part of this app. Just it just gives detailed information about you, about your exact time and place of birth. So it just it can just give you a detailed information about you with all this information that they get from you, and I think that's the best part. And it just creates, they use artificial intelligence, and it creates hyper personalized horoscopes, and which is great. And the only problem that I see about this app is that they only use English for this app. They just write all these updates in English, so different languages should be added to reach more users worldwide, because probably there are so many users who want to just use this app, but because of because only English is used for the app, could just restrict people from just using it, so they can just add different languages. Yeah, just like that. And did you use it before, and did you use this app? Did you like it or not? and what are the good parts and bad parts of it. Just let me know in the comments below. And that's it for now. I'm ending the video right now. Thanks for watching. And the quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. And I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.